chilly up here, isn't it? Look like a cold finger hit to wake you up.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! So fucking quick!
Nice shot. Watch out, far. Get ready to run in.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. Hit! Nice shot. Watch out. Oh, dropping like flies here, boys.
That was a bit.
He's on the left.
Sorry, boys.
Well played,
Sorry, man. Sorry.
Well played, lads.
Thank you. Silence.
It's quiet, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't like the built-in silencer and tracer as well.
So I make the suppressors, but all I've done is I've just took the few baffles out at the end and just slipped a tracer in the front. So it's usually quieter, funnily enough.
Blues on me. Anybody want to play spin the grenade?
You gotta kiss me now.
You tell it to Quake. Joking.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go on, lads. You can have them.
No, don't do it. Oh, you nearly killed me. 5 seconds.
Oh, sorry. Dead. Nice grenade. Third time's a charm. Woo! Hello! As you look around the corner, on the back wall there's one low and right in the window. Thank you.
Marshall. I know that's you guys, don't you? Nice.
Dead. Nice grenade. Right.
Straightforward these things.
Oh, shit.
Got it again?
Dead player. Oh, nice shot, buddy.
Be careful of the window, yeah. Yeah, they're back.
Yeah, he's down. Just coming through the window. If I get in and suppress that window, do you want to get in on the right side?
Yeah.
Right. Woo, shit, they're angry. nice shot, nice shot, nice shot.
There's one tower as well.
Yeah, he's firing on us now.
We've got one in.
Yeah, there's one in tower. Oh, hit, nice shot, nice shot.
Come on, bud.
Yeah, he's down. Yeah, if you want to stand here, see the gap, like where the trains are, no, that direction.
Yeah,
that's where they're running from there.
green bit.
Also here, look left, see straight down that corridor, he's there. I'm gonna go back down. It's time to get to cover! Those ones don't always go off. See what I mean? Saves you there. Clear everything, boys. Right, get back.
Oh,
There you go, you good. Get low, get low.
ready?
Yeah.
There's one of them. Watch his left.
He's behind the barricade at the back. He's hit. Go for it.
Then back to two-man carry.
Before you take him back, let's clear it. Everything, both sides. Oh, nice shot. Sneaky bastards. Did we get him, yeah? Did we get the last one?
I have no clue. There's a couple more, we think.
Go on, go for it! Do it!
If you think all the players are there, take him back to
Go.
Index!
Hard work, that is.
Everyone leave him hanging there. One random strike.
Come on. Right up there.
That's got yes, then! Get ready!
Go.
Dead man!
Yeah. Straight ahead. That barricade, that side. Oh! End of the corridor. Oh, hit, nice shot. Is it clear in there, boys? If you can suppress him, I'll move past.
Ready? Go.
Suppress him. Right, moving. Cheers, lads. Are they in the tower? Oh, nice shot. Watch above you. Watch the window. They're probably not in the alleyway.
Yeah, it's close to the window.
There's no one up there. Hold on.
A G&G mag that I gave my dad because it worked.
Is that friendly up there? Yeah. Shoot him anyway! That wouldn't be very nice, would it?
Somebody had that. 4, 3, 2, 1, Jaeger!
Just us two on this side, mate. Go get your impact around the corner. Get your impact around the corner. Go on, go, go, go. Quick, 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 quick. Changing. Oh, hit! Nice shot! Huh?
I've taken the arch again.
Here we have.
Yeah, red, there's on it.
Clear of it. I fairly sure hit him with the grenade.
They're quite close. They're quite close in there. Get around the corner. Come on. Oh!
That's in the hand.
Oh! Took like 5 rounds to knuckles. Oh! Careful, they're in the tower. They can see you as you go down. Yeah. See what I mean?
But left.
I'm not dead. That's all good. Just switch your sides. Oh, hit! Ow! Fuck's sake. Tell you what, I'm getting shot and then I'm getting lit the fuck up. Every fucking round's fine in this one hand. Right.
How are you finding HC2 today?
It's fine. It's fine.
That's good.
Oh, you bastards!
Hey, nice shot, nice shot.
Well, go ahead.
Go on, my son! Come on, Dave, hold on. Just keep him back for a minute! Well played, boys.
Thank you.